In a crawl space where the house is cracking upstairs, and you can see shims on top of the pier, but the joist has gone around the shim and sunken. So the house is still dropping, and the shims are just going right up into the wood. Wow, look at that. This shim is getting countersunk into the wood. Talk about some poor workmanship. It's a tragedy. The house is sinking around the shims. So all the way to the house is sitting on two little shims instead of the pier. So I'll back up. You see?